Hello students, how you all? I am Ashish welcoming all of you to my YouTube channel. For students and schools, lockdown period is still going on. In that case, board appearing students are little worried. They are having fear that how they will be able to write the 3 hours paper. Don't worry, as a math teacher I can assure you, you will be get definitely 80%, minimum 80% marks, more than no limit. In this video, I am going to explain you board paper pattern for this year. This year lots of changes CBSE made in paper pattern and question type also. And for you all, especially for you, I have analyzed the board sample paper and prepare a blueprint. It will help you to analyze and you can understand how many questions asked from which chapter after seeing this blueprint. This blueprint will help the weaker students, those who are having lots of fear, पूरे साल मस्ती की और अब कैसे पेपर दे दे. Now I will take you to my laptop screen. First I am going to explain you the board paper pattern, then I will show you board sample paper, and lastly I will explain blueprint which I have prepared for you. So let's start with board paper pattern. Maximum time 3 hour, maximum marks 80, same like last year. Now this year question paper consisting total number of question 36, which board has divided into two part A and part B. Part A consisting section A and section 2. Section A, this time no MCQ in section A. Last year board asked 20 MCQ. This year no MCQ in section A. Section 1. 1 mark 16 question you have to solve and give the answer. Secondly, they have introduced the new thing, case study question, which is very easy question. In my next video I am going to explain you case study. So those who have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe now. 4 mark 4 question they are asking, total number of 16 question, each question having 5 subpart and you have to attempt any 4. Each and every question is very easy in case study. Nextly, part 2. In part 2, section 1, section 2, section 3. It is divided into 3 sections. First one is very short answer type question, 2 marks 6 question. Section 2, short answer type question, 3 marks 7 question, total 21. Section 3, long answer type question, 5 mark 3 question. This time no 4 mark question. This year they are asking 5 mark question, total 15 marks. I think you understand the paper pattern, how boards simplify the paper for you in this pandemic situation. So this is the board sample paper. I am going to show you the complete paper, but I am not going to solve right now this paper. Soon I will upload a video where I will solve this complete paper. Okay, so see here, this is paper is divided into part A and part B. Then part A will start. After that section 2 of case study will start. You can see which is important for us, very scoring section for us. This is the case study question where diagram will be given. You have to analyze the diagram and give the answer. Okay, topic wise questions are there in case study. Okay, then part 2 will start. Here 2 marks, 3 marks and 5 mark questions are here. Okay, I have analyzed the complete question paper and prepared the blueprint. Now I am going to assure you, after seeing this blueprint, you will be able to target which topic you have to revise again and again, or you have to follow this sample paper very wisely. Suppose this question 31 is the question related to median. Okay, that means I have to solve this type of 5 to 6 question. Clear? So you have to follow this practice, then only you will be able to get the 80 plus marks out of 100 minimum. Suppose this question is related to height and distance. This type of question I am going to solve 5 to 6 question. I will give you the idea and I will prepare video for separate questions also. Okay, so see here, this is the question related to mode. So you have to solve minimum 5 question where missing frequency is asked. Clear? So please go through the blueprint very wisely and share this video. So let's see the blueprint. I am requesting you to please note down the complete blueprint. So this is the blueprint. Here I have written each and everything. You can go through this chapter wise. Now you can see here 1 mark questions from real number, 2 mark 1 question from real number, 3 mark 1 question from the real number. Case study no, 5 mark no, total 6 marks question will be asked. Now see polynomial 1 mark, 2 mark 1 question, then only 3 mark question they ask. Pair of linear equation, you can see 2 1 mark question and 1 5 mark question they ask. Now you can see the weightage, this chapter is going to be 7 marks. Okay, then quadratic equation is coming, 1 case study question they ask from quadratic equation, then 2 1 mark question, no 2 mark question, 1 3 mark question, total 9 marks. You can see how this chapter is going to be big. Then next arithmetic progression, only 1 question they ask, 1 mark question. Then coordinate geometry, you can see 1 case study question here, 1 case study question in triangle. Then you can see the highest weightage are getting here 8 marks, height and distance. Then okay, surface area and volume, 1 case study question, total 10 marks here. Statics is given, total you can see now here 36 question, 80 marks. Chapter wise weightage you can see this side. Okay, you can pause and write down, or I will upload on Google Drive and say give you the link in description, so you can download the direct this blueprint. Okay, you can see each and everything. I'll take you slowly. Okay, go through one by one everything. This I am sure this will help you very much, especially for weaker students, those who are thinking that how we'll be able to pass. Definitely you are going to pass if you follow this, what I will tell you. According to that you have to see the sample paper. Okay, suppose question first is asked from real number, so same type of question you have to solve minimum 5. You can take previous year Aryan, you can take previous year Oswald, from that you can take. Same second question is suppose from polynomial, so solve 5 question that type. Definitely you can prepare your one question bank of 5 question of each type and revise them again and again. Surely you will get good marks in exam. Okay, and I am going to give this type of video to you till your board exams, important questions and each kind of things I am provide you. So till then, those who have not subscribed this channel, please subscribe, like and share with your friends. Thank you everyone. Bye, tata, take care.